Hello doctors, in this video I am going to explain about how to apply for the NEET PG 2023 examinations. As you all know, the NBEMS has invited the applications for the NEET PG examinations and the last day to apply is Jan 27th. So you have to visit the nbe.edu.in website and click on the NEET PG. If you have not gone through the information bulletin, you can open the information bulletin and you can go through the information bulletin. You can click on the application link if you're applying. You can go through the important instructions given here. You can go through the information bulletin, image upload instructions. That is how you have to upload your images. So it is very important for you to go through this. There is also a user manual which you can go through how to apply. If you've already registered, you can log in here. If you're registering for the first time, you can click here or you can click on the register button. As you all know, these are the key dates. 7 Jan, the application started. 27 Jan is the last date. You will have the edit window from 30th Jan to 3rd February. That is, you can edit any information or documents, but you cannot edit the name, nationality, email, and the mobile number and the test city, which is given. And you also have an option to edit the photograph signature, which is from 14th February to 17th February. And the issue of the admit card will be anywhere around 27th February. Date of examination, as you all know, it's 5th March, and the result will be by 31st March 2023. If you have any difficulties when you're applying, you can just contact the help desk number, which is provided here. You can click on the register. The application link is only available in the nb.edu website. So here comes the declaration where you are an applicant and you have to click on that and you have to submit. As you all know, an agent will not be allowed to apply for the NEET PG exam. You can go through the instructions given here. As you all know, fields which are marked star are mandatory fields. Then there is a privacy notice that NBEMS will be taking all these data from you, that is your name, date of birth, email address, gender, nationality, etc. You can click on I agree. Then you can fill the information like your personal details, that is your name, confirm name. Please enter the name as per your qualification certificate. Whatever you have in your MBBS degree certificate, you have to go with the same name. Date of birth, gender, nationality. Make sure all the documents which you're providing and the MBBS certificate has same names, and your mobile number, alternate mobile number, email ID, and re-enter your email ID. This is very important to provide unique mobile number and email ID because these are the two primary modes of communication for sharing important news updates about the counseling or about the examination. Then you can click on generate OTP. You will get two fields. You will get the OTP on your mobile number and also on the email ID. You can enter both the OTPs here. Then you can enter the CAPTCHA. Then you can click on I agree and preview the whole application once. Go through it. If there are any mistakes, you can come back and edit again. And then you can click on re-verify and you can submit the application. So once you submit the application, it will take you to the payment gateway. So this is the only method of paying the examination fees. There is no offline method. So you have to submit the application and then only do the payment. As you all know, the fees, examination fees for general OBC and EWS is rupees 4,250. And for SC, ST and PWD, that is person with disability, is rupees 3,250. This is excluding the charges, that is the payment gateway charges. So that will be anywhere around 10 to 20 rupees extra. As you all know, application forms once submitted cannot be withdrawn. So fees shall neither be carried forward to the future date if you do any mistakes, or it will not be refunded. And the prescribed fees can be paid through a credit card or a debit card. And this is the only mode of fee payment. It is not offline. And fees cannot be deposited through any mode other than the payment gateway available while submitting the online application. So if you have any queries for applying or in the counseling process, you can sure call back to the numbers given on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.